We're in Austin, Texas, known for its music and allergies. That's right, the allergy capital of the world.
You know, a little known fact about air quality is that your indoor air is approximately 5 times dirtier than your outdoor air. A home really is your environment. A home's where you want to live well, and clean air helps you live better.
Tyler and Jen Evans just moved to Austin, Texas 3 months ago.
Well, we had rented the place sight unseen, so we didn't really get to experience the house firsthand. So we got a little bit of a surprise when Jen arrived here first, and we walked inside, and the place wasn't quite as nice as we were led to believe.
It smelled like someone had been smoking cigarettes inside the house or something, and it just really wasn't a very pleasant atmosphere.
And we knew that we'd be having our first baby in just a few months, so we really wanted to make sure this place was a great environment for him.
We did a lot of research on different air purifiers, and were able to find an air purifier that would help me with my allergies and also take care of the odors in here. Eventually came across Alen.
Jen asked us about an air purifier for her infant's nursery, and we told her it was a really good idea, and for a couple of reasons. One, you've got dust, you've got dander, you've got pollen in the air. They've also just redone the whole house, so there's dust everywhere. You don't really want a child's lungs inhaling those things.
I suffer from allergies, and I, have really struggled with having pets and also just being here in Austin, Texas with all of the allergens. When we were setting up the nursery, we wanted to paint in here, but then that also left the smell of paint.
Think about it, a brand new nursery's just been put together. You've put paint on the walls, you've bought some ready to assemble furniture, maybe you put a new carpet down, you definitely got a brand new mattress. Those are all off-gassing volatile organic compounds. You don't want to be inhaling those things, so you'd love to have a machine take those out.
I walked in after these things had been running for a couple days, and I was like, what are you talking about? This place, there was no smell at all.
Yeah.
It was like walking into a brand new house.
Made me feel like I was overreacting.
So it just, to me, I was like, wow, these things must really work well.
I normally would be sneezing and coughing because of Tyler's cats, and I wasn't doing that anymore. So immediately, I've seen a huge difference.
It's a really nice sleep aid for me, especially. If it's dead quiet, I can't sleep at all. I've got to have something. So it's nice to just have something that is emitting a nice noise, but it's more than just a fan that's just moving around, nasty air. It's actually cleaning the air while we sleep. So it's peace of mind, and it's just comfort, and it's a really nice to have on in the background.
Our air purifiers make pink noise, and that's proven to help you sleep 25% better. Now, anybody who's had a child knows you want that child to sleep as much as possible, because then you get to sleep as much as possible.
It's just wonderful for us because it creates enough noise where he isn't used to having complete silence, and it soothes him to sleep as well. So yeah, it's been a great experience.
I'm often asked, what's important when buying an air purifier? First thing you need to know is, what size room do you wish to treat? If you want to get your money's worth out of an air purifier, it should be where you spend most of your time. So basically, you should have one in your bedroom, because you probably sleep longer than you do anything else during the day. And then you should probably have one in another location, such as the living room, where you spend the other significant piece of your time. And then when you buy an air purifier, the biggest mistake people make is they buy one that's too small. For example, say this is a 500 square foot air purifier. Well, they're talking about turbo speed. It'll clean the air in a 500 square foot room very quickly if you press full speed, but it's not a speed you can live with. So you want to buy a unit basically that'll do a bigger space so you can run it at a slower speed and actually live with it.
When they're this small, just the idea of him being sick or him having congestion, I just don't want to even think about that, just seeing him in discomfort or pain. So it's just important that our air in our house was good and clean.
You know, your home is more than just 4 walls and a door. It's your sanctuary. It's a place you want to feel your best, where you want to entertain, where you just want to live well. An air purifier is a big part of that. It'll clean your air, make you feel good, make you sleep better, and overall make your life better. It's a good thing to have. This is Alen Corp. We want you to breathe better and live better for life.